Hello. I just want to take a minute or two and talk you guys through our class binder assignment. That way, if you have any questions, hopefully they'll get answered here. We have 3 binder checks in this class. This is a way to earn some super easy points and a tool that you guys can use or maybe strengthen that organizational tool that you have in all of your classes, okay? So I wish that I would have had something like this going in place my first semester at Chico State. I just had the 1 binder method, jammed everything in there, papers would get lost, I couldn't find what I needed. I found that with having 1 binder solely dedicated to each class, I'm able to find what I need, when I need it, and I'm not, fumbling around looking for that 1 paper that I knew I put in there. So anyways, I'm going to ask that you have 1 binder just for Guidance 18, okay? And I know for some of you, you're thinking, why do we have to have a binder for an online class? So yes, we do submit everything online, okay, I understand that. But I want you guys to have this as kind of a safeguard as well. So we never know with technology. We've all been there when the internet's down or we can't access something for some reason. Canvas might, have a glitch for whatever reason. Hopefully that doesn't happen. But if it does, if you've got that binder and your syllabus is in there and those papers that maybe you refer back to every now and then, academic calendars, whatever, they're right there for you as kind of a safeguard. You've got that backup plan. Another thing that you want to keep in mind are your grades. So I recommend at any time that you are printing out your grade, or if you're in an in-class environment, sitting down face-to-face, you are either taking pictures of those papers you're getting back or putting them in your binder, because stuff happens. Instructors lose things or stuff gets entered in wrong. And that way, if your teacher comes back to you, your instructor comes back and says, oh, you didn't do that, you can, politely say, yeah, of course I did. Here it is. These were your comments. So it's just kind of another way to cover yourself, make sure you've got everything in line. Okay, so how do we submit a binder check? What I'm going to have you do is either upload it in a video, or you can take pictures of it, snapshots, however you want to get creative. I've also uploaded an example for you to see. And so that's how we're going to submit it. And what do we need? Very quickly, a 3-ring, 1-inch binder, okay? Tabs, you are required to have 5 tabs. The details are included not only in this PowerPoint, but right below this video as well in the assignment area. These can be homemade tabs. These can be tabs you buy wherever. They can be ones that you write on. I'm not picky that way, but I will be very strict on having 5 separate tabs, okay, for each of the respective sections. Okay, and then of course, as I mentioned, the contents of your binder, of course, the front cover, I will be giving extra credit if you choose to do some sort of a creative cover. Whatever that looks like will be fine. Just if it's creative, you'll get a couple extra points for that. And then tabs 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, okay? And so of course, I suggest that you guys do this for all of your classes. It definitely can't hurt. It can only help. So try it out, see, it might work for you. Make a similar binder for each class. That way you're not getting distracted by other notes and papers and stuff like that from your other classes. So most of you don't have the exact same schedule every day. So instead of, carrying around that 1 binder everywhere, you can just have whatever class you need for that given day. So if you have questions, let me know. I'm happy to help you in any way that I can, and I look forward to talking to you guys soon.